So, I was kind of debating on making this video, but I decided to do it because I want to bring back shame. Yep. In masculine culture, shame is very important. Shame is how you know you're honorable. If you don't feel any shame, then it means you don't have honor. So I want to bring back shame in this video. And I just want to shame those guys that allowed this to happen right in front of them on the subway or whatever, on the train. The reality of the situation is either that they're cowards or unaware, which is feminine and just as bad. Okay. The reality of life is that these bad things happen because we have a whole generation of weak men that have abdicated and forsaken and left the responsibilities of what it is to be a man in society. And this is why these evil men are reigning this is why evil is allowed to be so public. And it comes down, honestly, from a governmental level, not giving men top cover to bring justice in environments. Men have become apathetic because the reality is we don't know if we're going to get prosecuted. There was another similar situation where I believe a Marine stepped in and he got prosecuted, So we don't know if we're going to get prosecuted or not. So I don't just blame these men. I do blame them for what looks like a lack of awareness. That's absolutely unacceptable. Don't be these guys. If you don't own a mouthpiece, you should own a mouthpiece, which means you should train to be the most dangerous man you can possibly be, so you can be useful to society. Because right now, evil is taking over, and we need more good, strong men. So I want to bring shame back. Gentlemen, what the heck? What in the actual? I hope you're sitting in your rooms, in your house right now, thinking about what you allowed to happen. And I want the rest of the world to understand and learn and know what can happen when men abdicate or forsake their post in society when it comes to being providers and protectors. Much more horrible things have happened and will happen as a result of where we're at in modern Western society's spectrum of masculinity. And it's shameful. So if you feel shame, it means you have honor. Let's train hard and be honorable. God bless. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called sons of God.